We have the opportunity to make a habit of empathy.
The recent decision of Ledbetter versus Goodyear Tire and Rubber is a classic example of the Supreme Court putting activism over common sense. The question in that case was simple, fundamental: should women be paid the same as men for the same work? Lily Ledbetter was a manager at a Goodyear tire plant in Alabama. Worked there for 19 years, didn't learn until she was about to retire that her male colleagues in the same job were paid more. She brought a discrimination lawsuit. The jury awarded her a verdict. The Supreme Court in a 5-4 decision reversed it, threw out the verdict. The basis for it? They said Lily Ledbetter filed her discrimination complaint too late. They said her complaint should have been filed within 180 days of the first discriminatory paycheck. That decision defied common sense and the realities of a workplace where few employees know what their fellow employees are being paid. It contradicted the decades of past precedent. In the Safford versus United School District versus Reading, 13-year-old girl strip-searched at her school because of a false rumor that she was hiding ibuprofen pills. At the oral argument in April, several of the Supreme Court justices asked questions about the case that unfortunately revealed a stunning lack of empathy about the 8th grade victim. One of the justices even suggested that being strip-searched was no different than changing clothes for gym class. Although Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg helped her 8 male colleagues understand why the strip search of a 13-year-old girl was humiliating enough to violate her constitutional rights, a majority of the justices ruled that the school officials were immune from liability.